At 3 in the morning, while you were sleeping, someone you have never met bought something you made months ago. You did not ship anything, you did not answer any messages, you did not trade a single minute of your time. The money appeared in your account the way rent appears in your landlord's account, while you were completely unconscious. This is not a fantasy, it is a business model, and it is more accessible right now than at any point in history. But here's the part nobody leads with. Most people who try to build it never make anything meaningful, not because the model is broken, because they misunderstand what they are actually building. This is the story of what the side hustle that pays you while you sleep actually is, how it actually works, and why the gap between the people who crack it and the people who never do is almost never about the product. Let's establish why this matters right now. 72% of people today rely on some form of secondary income, not because they want to, because a single income source feels genuinely fragile in a way it did not a generation ago. The idea of building something that earns while you sleep used to sound like a luxury. Now it sounds like a reasonable response to an unreasonable amount of financial uncertainty. At the same time, the infrastructure for doing this has never been more developed. Platforms exist that will host your product, process the payment, deliver the file, and send the receipt without you touching anything. The machine is already built. The question is only what you put inside it. Here's the most important thing to understand about passive income before we go any further. It is not passive at the start. It is never passive at the start. The word passive describes what happens after the work is done, not during it. The people who burn out chasing passive income usually burned out because they heard the word passive and stopped expecting to work. The people who actually built it treated the setup phase like a second job, then enjoyed the results for years. So let's talk about what actually works. The fastest growing and most accessible form of passive income right now is the digital product, something you create once, something that can be delivered to 1,000 buyers in a row without you doing anything differently for buyer number 2 than you did for buyer number 1. No inventory, no shipping, no manufacturing, margins above 90% after platform fees, and a global market that in 2025 alone generated over $2.5 trillion in value. Digital products that earn while you sleep fall into a few clear categories: online courses and video content, ebooks and written guides, templates, Notion dashboards, spreadsheet systems, design files, social media kits, printables, and increasingly AI prompt packs and toolkits for specific workflows. The pattern across every successful category is identical. Someone had a specific problem, someone else had already solved it, the person who solved it packaged their solution into something a buyer could immediately use. That package got placed on a platform where people already searching for that solution could find it, and then it sold, again and again, without the creator being awake. Now let's follow the money, because this is where things get real. A beginner entering this space in their first 6 months typically earns somewhere between $250 and $1,500 per month. That is not a life change. That is a utility bill, maybe 2. But it is also a proof of concept. It demonstrates that the model works before you have invested a meaningful amount of time or reputation in it. In the 6 to 18-month window, the creators who stayed consistent move into $2,000 to $8,000 a month. This is where the income starts to feel real, where a second income stream begins to look like a genuine financial buffer rather than a side experiment. Beyond 18 months, the ceiling effectively disappears. The product portfolio compounds. One product recommends another. Buyers return. Reviews attract new buyers. The system runs on its own in ways that early-stage creators cannot imagine because they have not yet seen it. But here's the number that most people skip past. 67% of people who pursue passive income never earn anything meaningful from it. Not a rounding error. 2/3 of the people who start never arrive. So what separates the third that does? It is not the product. This is the part that surprises people most. The product is almost never the deciding variable. Bad products with strong audiences sell. Good products with no audience disappear. The deciding variable is almost always distribution. How many people who actually need this thing ever see it? This is the hidden mechanism that the passive income conversation almost always misses. Building a digital product is a creative challenge. Selling a digital product is a distribution challenge. They require completely different skills, and most people spend 90% of their energy on the creation and almost none on the distribution, then wonder why the product sits untouched. Distribution in this context means one thing. You need an audience, a platform, or a search position that puts your product in front of people who are already looking for what you made. An email list, a YouTube channel, a Pinterest account, a niche blog, a social media presence around a specific topic, a well-optimized listing on an existing marketplace like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. None of these are passive. All of them require sustained effort over months before they pay off, and all of them, once established, become the engine that drives passive sales indefinitely. Here's the irony that the hype almost never admits. The side hustle that pays you while you sleep requires that you first do a lot of things while you are very much awake. You build the product while awake. You build the audience while awake. You test the pricing while awake. You improve the listing while awake. You send the emails while awake. And then, one morning, you wake up to a notification that someone bought something at 3 in the morning while you were unconscious. And that notification is the return on everything you did while awake. The hype sells the 3 in the morning notification. The reality is the 6 months of work before it. Now contrast that with the people who never arrive. They buy a course about digital products, spend a weekend building something, list it with no audience, make no sales in the first 30 days, and conclude that passive income is a scam. They are not wrong that it did not work for them. They are wrong about why. Zoom out, because this is bigger than any specific product category. What the side hustle that pays you while you sleep actually gives you, once built, is not money. Money is the output. What it gives you is time. The ability to earn without trading hours is the only way to permanently break the ceiling that a salary creates. Every job, no matter how high paying, has the same structural limit. You can only sell so many hours. A digital product has no such limit. It sells while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're raising your children, while you're doing something else entirely. That is why this matters beyond the income number. The income number is almost beside the point. The point is what you regain when income is no longer tied one-to-one with time. Most people spend their entire working lives renting their time to someone else, 40 hours a week, 50 weeks a year, for 40 years. Some of them get very good at negotiating the hourly rate, but the model never changes. The side hustle that pays you while you sleep is not a get-rich scheme. It is a structural escape from that model, built slowly, tested honestly, and grown with the same seriousness you would give anything that actually matters. The uncomfortable question it leaves you with is not whether you could build one. Almost anyone can. The platforms are free, the tools are accessible, the market is enormous. The question is whether you are willing to do the awake part seriously enough to earn the asleep part. Because the 3 in the morning notification does not go to the people who wanted it most. It goes to the people who built for it longest.